Oh, you're fired. You fired your first case in the Right. Let me get your police. Oh, got your helmet. Hello, where he's going to court. Buckle your helmet.
There, no helmet, there.
Helmet, buckle for.
Down the point, down.
Go. You know how to get away.
Sir, today we see that you all are doing a traffic awareness. What it is about?
See, Government of India all over the country is observing National Road Safety Month from 1st to 31st. So in this Road Safety Month, there are various issues that we are highlighting. One is about personal discipline and personal safety. That is, the rider should wear his ISI mark helmet, should wear the seat belt. Passenger on the front seat should wear the seat belt. Back seat passenger should wear the seat belt. Because today, the situation is such that the person who is driving behind you can crash in your vehicle. So during this month, various awareness programs are there. Together with that, we are doing awareness also about the Good Samaritan scheme, which is now called Rahavir scheme, for those who are helping the victims in a road accident. So many people do not know. They feel that if you help a victim, you will be in trouble. At the same time, we are also, you can see this banner here, we are also promoting the hit and run compensation scheme. So any person who is injured in a hit and run accident or dies in a road hit and run, he can get compensation. So there are various issues, and therefore today, as one joint effort with the Directorate of Transport and Traffic Police, all our Goaken Consumer Forum volunteers are here, basically to convey this message that let us begin the new year with a message of safety. See, today what people feel, if I don't wear a helmet, original helmet, doesn't matter. But when an accident takes place, no insurance company will pay that money. So the family will get affected, the children will get affected, the wife will get affected. So we are appealing to everybody. These days we are doing programs in the schools, higher secondaries, colleges also. We are appealing to the consumers to follow the procedures, even in the case of pothole roads. People, we are requesting them to file cases under Consumer Protection Act 2019. See, we have to get the involvement of the public. There is, of course, equal responsibility on the government. Government agencies have to do what they have to do. But the point we are saying here is that people should join. Now, you may see some of our volunteers are wearing an orange jacket. I will just show you today. You can see our senior citizen friend. He is wearing this jacket. So he is a traffic warden. So this is a scheme where any person who is 18 years of age can join hands with the traffic police, be a volunteer and join in awareness building. So we are appealing to citizens to come forward in their wards, in their neighborhood, in their housing society, create awareness so that we can save the lives of people. Today we are losing one person in Goa every 27 hours. It is a very frightful figure. And we also want to make an appeal through your medium that today we are seeing many tourists are using private cars, as rent-a-cab. It's very dangerous because if they crash in those cars, they will get no insurance. The insurance policies are clear. You will be paid only if you are in a taxi or your rent-a-cab vehicle is registered with the transport department. So this is something we are appealing, and we will be writing to the tourism department also. So as you see in this last Christmas weekend, New Year, so many cases are coming where cars and two-wheelers are being used privately, are being used by the tourists or being hired to the tourists, and the poor tourist is not aware what are the consequences if there is an accident. So this, in short, is our campaign for today at Gandhi Chowk, Hafta.
Do you think this campaign will fulfill the motto behind it?
Yeah, see, we have been doing this campaigns over the years, and I tell you, so many teachers, students have told us that, sir, we saw you all standing on the road. We have understood what is your message. Many of us were not wearing seatbelt. We are now made it compulsory in our families to wear seatbelt. We are strapping our helmets. We have changed our helmets. So this is a personal change, personal decision. You know, and we believe that unless consumers decide not to buy these fake helmets, see, this is a very important thing. I want to also highlight this thing to you. Today, many people we have seen today are wearing these fake helmets. So we are encouraging people to buy ISI mark helmet so that you are safe. If there is an accident, you will be paid as per the insurance policy. If you are wearing a fake helmet like this, you will not get any payment of insurance, because these are now the orders of the Supreme Court in cases where insurance was not paid in the past. Now it is made compulsory. You have to wear the headgear which has been specified under Bureau of Indian Standards.
आत्ताच आम्ही एक एक्झाम्पल पहिले की जे इलेक्ट्रिक बाईक आसा पळय सर, some have not worn their helmets.
There are some electric bikes, they are roaming without even license, because they say our capacity of the bike is like a cycle.
Yes.
So this month we will be writing to both the district collectors and the members of parliament to take up in with the government of India to change the policy so that there should be minimum protection for the driver and minimum protection for the people on the road. Because even with the electric bike of low speed, you can have an accident and a person can damage his head. So these are some of the difficulties we have seen in the law. We are going to take it up.